ChatGPT to Google Docs or PDF. Quick demo. Export ChatGPT content into Google Docs, Word, or PDF. Instantly. No copy pasting. Formatting stays intact. Here's how it works. You can export a single response, the entire conversation, or only selected messages from ChatGPT. You can also choose whether to export only ChatGPT responses or include user prompts as well. ChatGPT Canvas content is supported too. When exporting, formatting is preserved, including equations, tables, and images. Use the button below the ChatGPT response to export just that message. Use the top right button to export the entire conversation. For selected messages, enable selection, then export only what you need. For Canvas, open it, edit as needed, then export from the top right button. That's it. Your ChatGPT content is exported professionally as Google Docs or PDF.